Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, corporate policy and planning. So last session we discussed about what do you mean by strategy, strategic management process, corporate strategy, strategy and tactics, corporate governance, 7S framework. So a lot of things we discussed in the strategic management. So now you got an idea about that strategic management. Huh? So next we are going to discuss very important corporate policy and planning. So how to frame the corporate policy in every organization, then how to plan. So a policy is a general statement which is formulated by an organization for the guidance of its personnel. So for example, if you take an HR policy, business policy, right, corporate policy. So these policies it will be helpful for the guidance. So how to run the organization. So that's only we need that corporate policy. The objectives are first formulated and then policies are planned to achieve them. So that's only you can see the picture. So everyone can contribute their work. So related to the policy, you're going to achieve the objective or goal. So that is the corporate policy and plan. So considerations in policy formulation. So there are three types: consistency, proper communication in writing. So consistency, everyone know it will be consistent, it will be flexible, it will be adaptable to everyone. So consistency, various policies of an enterprise should conform to each other. So each policy they have to frame and discuss with their organization. So everyone it will be okay, flexible, adaptable. Then they will proceed. So it will be consistent, it will be flexible to everyone, right? So that is a consistency. Proper communication. So whatever the policy we will frame, so communicate to everyone. So the policy should be properly communicated to each level of management. For example, top level, middle level, and low level. So there are three levels of management. So in the top level, CEO, managing director, right, secretary, chairman. So everyone included in the top level. Middle level, production manager, marketing manager, HR manager, right? Finance manager, administrative manager, right? So all the managers to be in that middle level. So low level, it's very important, employees. So employees are the key role for every organization. So without employees, we can't do run any business. So proper communication, it will be effective for the organization. That's only they said the policy should be properly communicated to each level of management. Then one more thing, everything in documentation. So don't say it's in oral. So in every organization, you can see the blueprint of that. For example, if you're going to manufacture any product, it's a blueprint of that organization. So the policies also should always be in writing. For example, HR policies, that business policies, corporate policies, everything you will get only in written form or writing. So that's only the evidence. These are the policies we framed. So everything it will be documented, everything to be filed. So in future use, it will be very helpful to take a decision. Uh, so these are the considerations in policy formulation. Next, process of policy formulation. So there is some process. So what is the process of policy formulation? Defining policy area, identifying policy alternatives, evaluating alternative, selection of your policy, trial run of your policy, implementing policy. So these are the process of policy formulation. So defining policy area in the sense, the areas for which a policy is to be framed should be defined. So whatever the policy you can take it, so it will be defined, right? So the objectives and needs of an organization should be kept in mind while specifying the policy area. So these objectives also very important. So what is the policy you can define clearly to everyone, right? So identifying policy alternatives. The alternative should be decided on the basis of an analysis of external and internal environment. So next class we are going to, next session we are going to discuss in depth about process of policy formulation. And also other points we are going to discuss. Now you got an idea about that corporate policy and planning. So planning also is very important for every organization. It will be done by that each manager for their department. So corporate planning is very, very important, right? Okay. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. Thank you.